Hi students, today I am going to explain the concept of back face detection. So this is the most important algorithm in the surface detection algorithms. So what the visible surface algorithms, so whatever the image which is on the back side, so that portion is an invisible. So in particularly what the back face detection is also that determines whatever the face of an object is facing backward and therefore it is an invisible. So the usual test is whether that surface normal points to the screen or not. So whatever the image which is placed on that particular 3D plane, so that screen of points are normally visible, which is or also which is placed on the screen or not. So what the back face detection, which is determines of whatever the face of an object is facing backward and therefore it is invisible. How it can be calculated? The visible factor of this particular using back face detection algorithm. So in solid object, that is whatever the object which is surface on that particular plane, so we need to identify the first one, the facing viewer. So the facing viewer is nothing but the front end face. So the front end face is the visible, so you can observe here. So in the front end face, whatever the face is observed, so we need to identify the back side is the different one. So how we can identify that particular back face detection? So that is with the help of this is some of the process. So it is first we can identify the front viewer. The front viewer is nothing but the front face which we have to be identified. So which are opposite to the viewer. So that means exactly which is the opposite of the back view. So the back faces. So these back faces contribute to approximately half of the total number of surfaces. So since we cannot identify that, so here that means in front end surface, whatever the surface is the front view, so the similarly the back view we are the same, that we have to be observed, but which is considered may or may not. Suppose if you consider this particular diagram, so the front end view is the different compared to the back end view. So the back face is the surface is the different compared to the front view of the surface. So at that time the front view calculation and the back view calculation both are the a different manner. So that's why here these back faces contributes approximately half of the front face, which is the similar one. So coming to see these surfaces anyway, to save processing time, so we can remove the before the clipping process. So before we take the clipping process, and we have to set it all the surfaces of that particular given object. So next one, each surface has a normal vector. So because every surface has a normal vector, if this vector is pointing in the direction of the center of the projection, so that means whatever we can find the normal vector of that particular surface, so this can be detection of the center of the projection. So it is a front face and can be seen by the viewer. If it is pointing away from the center of the projection, it is the back face and cannot be seen by the viewer. So that means always it is possible. So we can view the front view of that particular image, and we cannot identify or we cannot see that particular back face of the image which is shown in that. So the test is very simple. How we can find the back face, how we can identify that particular back face of the surface. So the test is very simple. In the z component of the normal vector is positive, then it is the back face. So simply what the back face detection is nothing but, so here whatever the z component of the normal vector, whatever the z component of the normal vector of the given object is positive, so then it is identified as a back face. So that means the z component of the vector is negative, it is the front face. So here the two identifications are defined. So if the component of the z component is nothing but a component is a positive, then it is a back side, and if it is a negative, then it comes to the front end view. So that is mainly focused on this particular back face detection algorithm. So here the two main approaches are taken by this algorithm. So the first one is the object space method and second one is the image space method. So what the object space method is nothing but compares objects and parts of the object of each other within the scene definitions of the to determine the surfaces are visible. So object can be space on that particular visible factor, so that may be the identified. The image space method is nothing but visibility is decided point by point. So there parts of the object is considered in the object space method, but the image space method, it is a point by point, that is pixel by pixel, nothing but in the computer graphics language. So we can identify that one is the pixel by pixel, or here the point by point in each pixel position on the projection plane. So image space methods are identified these two main approaches. Now you can consider this particular the narrow angle. So whatever the photo image, we have to consider the narrow angle. So it is a simple thing we can do is find to face on the backs of the polyhedra. So this is nothing but a polyhedra diagram. So this polyhedra backside can be viewed in the narrow angle. So that we have to be observed here. So coming to this particular back face detection, so we have to consider before we can apply this algorithm, whatever the component, whatever the coordinates of x and y, z, so of that particular polygon where we have to observe. So A, B, C, D are the plane parameters on the surface. Then usually we can observe this particular angle of the diagram. So the back face detection, whatever the narrow projection we have to be considered. Already there are two signals are there. If the surface value is the positive, then it goes to the back angle, that is a back face, and if it is a negative value, then we go to the front end view. So here the n can be considered to the ABC, which are the narrow angle which can be considered. Here the z value is positive, so then it is the front end view. If the z value, that is a back end view. If the z value is the negative, then it goes to the front end view. So here the normal is the value which is the less than 0 surface, so cannot be seen. So the less than 0 in the sense that is a negative value. The negative value of that particular polygons cannot be seen on this particular plane. Now coming to this, the major portion of this one in the last, the front end view is an entirely different from the back sector. We have to take the half of the narrow, that in general back face detection can be expected to eliminate about the half of the polygon surface in the same for the further visibility test. So it is more complicated surface through the scuppers, because of we have to take some of the technique to handle the a kind of situations which can be identify the back face detection, so in the better manner. Coming to this particular, so it is a visibility of that particular back face detection of this particular point of XYZ. So if the polygon surface of the plane parameter ABCD, so if with the help of the equation we know that AX plus BAY plus CZ plus D equal is less than 0, when an inside point is along the line of side to the surface, the polygon must be back face and cannot be seen. So whenever this value is less than 0, that's why the plane equation always AX plus BY plus CZ equals plus D equals to 0. So that we have to be observed in the finally, so that back face detection is the visible with the help of this particular plane equation AX plus BY plus CZ plus D equals to 0. If it is less than 0, then we can calculate the back face detection.